Hey guys, thank you for joining us again at Car System Installation. Today we have here a 2015 Audi Q3 and we added a backup camera. We've used our OEM style handle camera. Very clean, very nice, very high resolution picture we get. And we have used an interface module to allow us to see the picture on the front screen. So we sit in the vehicle. The vehicle is running. I'm going to put the vehicle in reverse. We have the picture showing on the factory screen. Now we also have the guidelines that are moving with the steering wheel. That makes it much easier for parking. As you can see from the quality of the picture, you can see the image, you can see everything looks natural size, not awkward, not big, not wide. You get a very wide angle so you can see farther from the sides of the vehicle. Add-on cameras to BMWs, Audis and other vehicles is available at Car System Installation. Subscribe to our channel and we'll see you next time. Have a great day.